Osio, it's been a while. I just wanted to pop in and tell all of you that I appreciate you, and it has been a few months of radical self-acceptance. This is the most beautiful view to have while healing. So I wanted to share this with you, a moment of peace and beauty. Thank you so much for your support on Teatime.beauty. I appreciate you so much. To all of my subscribers, we are a family here, and I do think about you. So here is my way of showing you that. Let's take a deep breath together. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Ready? Inhale. And exhale. Take care of yourself.